My Book of Colors. Red, yellow, blue. Bright red parrots swoop and swirl, gliding through the sky. All the little beetles wish that they could climb so high. Fox is jumping in the air and sweeping with his paw. But these orange butterflies have played that game before. Look at all the yellow snakes slinking through the trees. All they want to do is give the monkeys a big squeeze. Caterpillars love to hide. Where are they? Can you see? Hungry big green frogs would like to eat them with their tea. Little lizards on the ground cannot believe their eyes. Darting through the skies are stunning bright blue dragonflies. Purple starfish in the sea are twirling to and fro. Look, these funny snails blow bubbles everywhere they go. Pretty pink flamingos look so fluffy and so sweet, but they love to gobble shrimp. Oh, what a tasty treat! Panther lays out lazily, dozing in her tree. Two black rhinos play below, romping happily. Polar bears are silly when they're skidding on the ice. Oops, these poor white seals have been flattened once or twice. Can you find the creatures you have seen all through this book? Different colored animals are everywhere you look. Thank you so much for watching. If you'd like to buy this book, check description below. And if you liked this video, please give it a like and subscribe to join me on the next reading adventure.